As you step into a new year, some people think about what they need to add or fix or force. But real transformation usually begins somewhere much quieter, and that place is release. This is a powerful moment because the calendar itself creates a pause, an opening, a space where you can ask yourself honestly what you're still holding on to and that no longer serves you. It might be smoking or vaping. It might be weight that feels physical, but it's really emotional. It might be stress that has lived in your body for so long it feels normal. Or it might be a habit or identity you've simply outgrown. The new year isn't asking you to push harder, it's inviting you to make room, to change your story, create a new one. When you stop fighting yourself and start observing, something shifts. And that foundation is what I call zeroing out, which is learning how to step out of the mental noise and into what's called in hypnosis an observer position where the nervous system can finally reset and real change can happen. The mind quiets, clarity appears, and when clarity is present, change stops feeling like struggle. Take a second to like this video and subscribe to this channel because this space is dedicated to real, grounded tools for peace and transformation. You'll find 500 videos to help you. That's my job. That's what I feel like I want to do all the time. Habits don't live in willpower, they live in the subconscious. And that's why so many people try year after year and feel discouraged when effort alone doesn't work. I'll tell you what does work: hypnosis. It allows us to work directly with the part of the mind where habits were formed. Whether that's smoking, vaping, emotional eating, chronic stress, anxiety, or patterns of self sabotage. This work isn't about control, it's about freedom. And working one on one with people through hypnosis is what I do, both online and in person, to help create that inner space in you where release can happen naturally. If this year feels like the year you're ready to stop carrying what you no longer need, honor that knowing. You don't have to struggle your way into change. You can release your way into it. And if you'd like to support this channel, I'm here to help guide that process. Go to my website, Bo Sebastian, all one word.com, and find all that you need to know about hypnosis and my services and the cost. Subscribe and like this video to help our channel grow. You have a beautiful day.